Yeah, this could be better. Let's get to work. This is my carport turned single car garage. If you're new here, welcome. If not, you've seen me build things here, you've seen me move machines to get to other machines, you've seen me make a mess, which is a good word for its present state. We are going to make it better. These are our goals. 1. Be able to park my car. 2. Have all the machines more or less ready to go. 3. Improve the lighting, electrical, and dust collection. 4. Everything on wheels and easy to move. Let's take a leaf out of Adam Savage's book and make a scale model out of foamcore for planning purposes. And here it is, the garage in 1/12 scale. We have the main door here and a door into the house at the opposite end. There are decorative ventilation openings on either side and another door that leads to where my trash bin lives. To keep it parkable, this area is off limits. I'd like to maintain a clear path to the side door as well. That leaves 19 inches on either side of the car and some extra space close to the house that currently is occupied by some built-in shelves that have to go. After all, I need all the floor space I can get to keep many things, including everything listed here. So this could take quite a few episodes to get done. Let's begin by doing something about all the clutter. I've had this light fixture for a while. It matches one by the front door of the house, and it's a good replacement for the light next to the side door of the garage. Also, installing it now gets one more thing out of the pile of things, so it's a good time to get it done. As I clean, you'll see most of the tools and machines I need to find places for. I don't even know what's in here. The previous inhabitant left a lot of stuff behind. This house now has impact windows, so I'm taking almost all of the hurricane shutters to the scrapyard. There's a few $100s worth of aluminum here. I've got some room to move now, so I can demolish the built-in shelves on this wall. I need a bigger hammer. And now for the other side. could just hang on this thing and see what happens. Let's give it a try. Ooh, it's going to start the ceiling. Sure enough, I did screw up the ceiling. It is very fragile. And now that I've got the built-ins unbuilt, there are also a lot of other holes and cracks to patch before I can paint this end of the garage. These built-ins were mostly attached with wedge-shaped masonry nails. Only some of them came out easily. For the others, there's the angle grinder.
The original ceiling materials here completely contained for structure, but they don't and have been tested. That leads to a lot of objections to the structure, so the rules of the house that could easily have been other. That's it. I'm still wearing that because I'm feeling too much. It could result in filter. Do the same.
This new door installation was never painted, so I'm doing that now, after masking it off to try and get a clean line. With one end painted, I can free up the rest of the garage by moving stuff back into the area. Not like this though. This thing won't fit through the side door.
You've got to be kidding.
Off camera, I brought it in through the big door instead. These are the very few shutters I'm obliged by the insurance company to keep. They cover the decorative dolphin openings in the sides of this garage. But Aki, I hear you saying, why did you wreck out your built-in shelves just to bring in new shelves? Well, the old ones were kind of gross. They had a distinct smell. They harbored insects. They had been exposed to God only knows what nasty chemicals before I moved in. But most of all, they took floor space permanently, which I desperately need for other things. This baker's shelf is on wheels, and it's only temporary anyway. The dust collector needs some work, but it fits nicely into this corner. Installing it properly will be the subject of another episode. And that's it for this stage of the project. We've certainly come a long way from these days. It was a lot of work to get to this point. It's reasonably orderly, it's parkable, and one end is painted. But it's pretty dark in here. In the next episode, I upgrade the lighting. Stay tuned.